Hi guys. Okay, so I have a beauty haul. Of course, it's from Sephora, and I got some really good stuff today. So, first thing I bought was I had to go back and get my Anastasia brow definer. It's that triangular shaped pencil brush. Pencil with the brush spoolie on the end. I tried the drugstore. But it didn't last long. Got kind of gritty, and I had to continuously reapply, and it was just a horrible nightmare. So I only use them for touch-ups, like on the go. But I had to go back and get my Anastasia, and I get the color in dark brown. Or is it Ebony? No, I got Ebony. Sorry, you guys. If they're out of Ebony, I'll usually get dark brown. Then I went over to the Huda section, and I got some Huda beauty products. This Complexion Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. It is a moisturizing primer or makeup base. And I love the way it felt on my skin. Because I love, moist skin. I love feeling moisturized. And then if you combine that with a primer, you can't go wrong. So it comes in a little tube like this, and it squirts out. So I got that. I have not tried it yet, so I don't know. We'll probably be doing some looks, hopefully, and I'll get to put it on. So then I got the Huda Beauty Foundation, and I got the color Toffee. I love this square. I love how modern it looks. I love the shape of it. So it looks like this. It's very light. I don't know how much product is in there, but it feels pretty light. I hope it's a lot. But you don't need a lot. I was sampling this in the store, and it is like super full coverage. You can probably cover a tattoo with this coverage. I keep looking over here because I'm looking at the screen, but I need to be looking right here. So yes, this is super, super thick. I'm going to show you, okay? I have some on, and it's very full coverage. I tried it on in the store with one dab. It covered everything. You don't even really need concealer. I don't really even want to waste it, but it is so pigmented and full coverage. You don't even need concealer. Oh my gosh, it's oh my god. So if you need full coverage, this is going to be what you need. And then to set it, I bought the Huda Beauty baking powder and banana bread. And I know there's a lot of controversy surrounding the names of these products, simply because there is another cosmetic line that carries baking powder, and it's also called baking powder, with the same type of name. And I purchased from that company, which is Beauty Bakery. I purchased from them many, many, many times, and I have a lot of their products. So I understand all of that drama surrounding it. And I did not know until after the fact that I bought it. And I did not read, that it says the exact same thing. But in my defense, I did go to Beauty Bakery's website 2 weeks ago to order some more of the baking powder, which I have had, and it ran out. And I went to go reorder some brow gel as well. Oh shoot. I went to reorder this, and then I went to reorder the powder. They were sold out. We checked back the next week. Sold out. So I couldn't get any. I also checked the month before. Not available. So sold out. So I kind of gave up going back to that website and looking for product because everything that I wanted to purchase was not restocked. So I'm not saying anything good or bad. I'm just saying I tried to actually purchase from them. I really did. But I just didn't have any product. And I like fine milled powders if I'm going to buy, expensive. So this one was like really nice. I tried different, brands in this one. Look how fine that is. It's really nice. So I went ahead and purchased. And look, you just put it under your eye, let it bake. It's a really good fine powder. And, it's a good product. So I don't have anything against the product itself. I'm kind of shady to steal the name, but you can always rename this later. I'm pretty sure there's some lawsuits happening. You know what I mean? You know, something might actually be beneficial to Beauty Bakery. She might get some change, a little change. And then she can have them products restocked so I can come buy some, okay? Okay, anyway. So that's the baking powder. It gives you like a really nice, flawless finish. It's really fine, right? Okay, so it came in this little box, and it's just like freshly baked, like a cake box. So stolen idea, yes. We're very familiar with that. Okay. Next thing, what else did I get? Oh, Too Faced. I bought the Natural Matte Palette. And the kind of looks like lingerie, but this is the palette by Too Faced. It's the Neutral Matte Eyeshadow Palette. And it's so, I love how it's made. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Looks like an antique cigarette case or an antique like compact. Isn't it pretty? So it has that old school feel, and this is gold on the inside. It's a nice mirror, and these are the colors. So very neutral colors. I have them on right now. This is a really nice, and I have so many palettes. Packaging always gets me, but I bought this mainly for hookup in this color right here. So I wanted to do like a smoky eye, but not so dark, but with browns. And these colors were so pretty, and it smells like coconut. So it's sweet smelling, beautiful, very feminine, girly looking compact. So I had to get it, y'all. I didn't do a lot of, makeup, but I think I want to. So let me show you guys the last thing that I got, and then I'm going to pile this stuff on. So then I got the Too Faced birthday suit, the natural color by Too Faced. They have the line of lipstick, and this is what I have on right now. And it's just a really pretty nude. It smells like coconut as well. So get that coconut smell going. And it's not a matte lip. It's almost like a cream, but it's not super shiny. So it's very moisturizing. And the color is very pigmented. And if you want, you can even like line it with some brown, or leave it like this and blot it and just have it like, just a really natural lip. So I don't have anything. Oh yeah, I have something to blot with. Hold on. So I don't really like creamy lip color, so I'm just going to barely blot it. But you can even mattify it with some powder. But It's really moisturizing, so it's good for your lips. So yeah, I'm going to go in. I have no eyeliner up here, so if you were wondering, I do have on lashes. And then, as you know, when you get your points, well, they have all these different things you can get with your points. I got like just some Tarte lights, camera, lashes, mascara, because I always need extra mascara laying around. So I got that. So, but my favorite thing that I purchased has to be this foundation. I mean, flawless. Like, you can't see a thing if you put that on. You don't see any blemishes. I mean, love it. I think I'm hooked. So I'm going to go in and go ahead and pile this stuff on. See if I can get me a smoky eye tonight. And probably go on my other channel. So y'all will see the finished look when I go. Who knows? Or I can just do it real quick and come right back.